I'm a Pink Panther.
Okay, so we're done.
Oh wow, this is me.
Yeah, it's you.
Stunning, absolutely stunning.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and please like this video and watch to the end. So today I'm going to show you guys how to install a 6x6 closured wig. Please, if you like this video, kindly keep on watching and watch till the end. So now I'm just putting makeup under the closure to match her skin. So now I'm just putting the wig on her head, trying to make it fit in the position where I want it to be, and I'll just try to kind of fix it. And I'm going to use my makeup on the lace. That is, I'm not going to use any extra makeup. I'm just going to use the makeup on the brush, and I'm using my Bold Hold Active lace glue, which you can find. You can add me on WeChat and get yours. And I'm going to use 3 layers of it and then lay down my closure. So guys, as you can see, as I just had to lay the closure down. It's been a while since I recorded a video like this, so it's kind of difficult for me to really explain. So I'm cutting the lace. Make sure you press down the lace very well. I always remove a little bit of hair so that I can really take my time to press it down. So guys, just follow up as I'm doing. I always advise my clients to get this hot comb because it's going to help you do everything you need to do on your wig. So I'm actually using this to kind of separate the hair from the baby hair, and then I'll also create the part. She wanted the side part, so we are just creating and trying to figure out where to stop and all that. So I'm still going to use my hot comb to kind of create the part the way I want. For those of you out of China or in China who want this same hot comb I'm using, you can add me on WeChat, or you click the link that says to order a wig, and then I'm going to get yours. Right now I'm plucking the front part because the hair was too much on the lace, so I'm going to pluck it so the front should look natural. So when I'm done, I'm using this styling hair mist. It smells so good. It's not going to make the curls look curly again, but with the help of the mousse, we are going to bring back the curls in front of this frontal. So you already know what we use the mousse for. So after putting the mousse, spraying a little bit of water so that it should be light enough for the mousse to go through the hair, we are going to cut the baby hairs and then style it. I have a detailed video which I'm going to link up in this at your right hand. Just press the card on how to do baby hair on a wig, and also I have videos how to pluck a wig and all that, so you can check those other videos. You can check in my description box, and maybe at the end of this video you will see it. So when I'm done with making the baby hairs, I'll wrap her hair and also use an elastic band to kind of press the lace again into her skin. So when I'm done, I'll put her under the dryer, and then so when I'm done, I'm going to cut her the other part of trim the hair so that it should look like a bob, and then put her under the dryer. already, it was dry. I had to remove her from the dryer, and look how melted those baby hairs are. So I went ahead and sewed the back part so that the wig can stick behind, because she wanted to let it last for a while. So when I was done, I had to comb out the baby hairs so it should look natural. When you comb it out, it's going to look natural. Just look how I did it. Done. Let me take some pictures.
Oh, is this me?
Someone said.
Be for the gods by the one and only Miss Vance.
Yeah. Can you spin? Let me see.
This is what I want. Ding, 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 ding.
Okay, guys, we are done. Can you tell the camera what you want?
What I want?
What you want? I've been forcing her to.
This is what I'm getting. Stacy wants me to buy her whole shop. No. Stick to the stuff, you know.
Okay.
One super rule. Thank you so much, Stacy Vance.
You're welcome.
Miss
Okay.
Vance.
Bye.